Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. If you're new here, welcome. So today I have another nail supplies haul for you all. Lots of nail charms, some press-on nails, I have nail polish to show you all, and just a lot of other fun things as well. And all of these are from Whatnot. If you would like to sign up for Whatnot, I did put the link in the description below, and I believe you'll get $15 worth of credit, and I'll get $5 worth of credit if you use my link, so we would both be helping each other. But basically, if you don't know what Whatnot is, it's basically an app you can buy things on. Most of the time people are auctioning things off so you can bid on things, and this is not sponsored at all. I just think it's a really cool app, so I just wanted to mention it, and that's where I got everything that I am showing in this video. But anyways, I do have a big announcement to tell you all. You might have noticed already, but I have a ring on my left ring finger. So yes, I did get engaged, and I am so excited. But anyways, let's get right into this haul. So first we have these pearl balls. I probably wouldn't use the biggest ones, but I think the smallest ones would be really good for nail art. And there's just a bunch of different colors. We have some pink, kind of an orange, yellow. So those are really pretty. And next we have these rhinestones, again, multicolored and also different shapes. This next bag, there are a few different things in here, so I'm just going to open it up just so we can look at it a little bit more closely. So first we have these rhinestone chains. There is a silver, a gold, and I think that's a green. It's kind of hard to tell on camera. I think it's a green or a blue. But those are really pretty. You just clip them to the size you want with like some, even like scissors work, I think. It's pretty easy to like just cut through them and just pick whatever size you want the chain to be. And I have used those before. They do work pretty well. Instead of individually like putting the rhinestone across your nail, you can just use one of those chains, and it saves a little bit of time. So also in this bag there are some, I don't really know what you call them. They're not rhinestones. They're just like kind of smooth, flat back, shiny things. I really don't know what they're called, but they are really pretty. I think these are so cute. They're little flamingo nail charms, and then there's like little neon flecks inside of them. So yeah, these are super cute. I don't have anything like this, so I'm really excited to try them. And then just look how pretty these rhinestones are. There's so many different colors: light blue, dark green, red, pink, yellow. I think there's some clear ones in there too, and I think they're just really pretty colors, and they are pretty small, which is nice. It's always nice to have a variety, some small rhinestones, some larger rhinestones. So I will definitely be using those. I use rhinestones a lot. This is also another bag of rhinestones I got. These are a little bit different, kind of darker colors, and there's also some different sizes in there as well. So I'm just opening up this next bag here, and the first thing in here are these really pretty rhinestones, and I love this shade of blue. Those are just so gorgeous. Next we have these pearl shapes. There's different shapes in there, so like a moon, a bow, there's a square, triangle, some hearts, just different things like that. So those are really cute. And next, oh my goodness, I love these so much. I love how the bunny is like closing its eyes, and it has a little blue bow on its ear. That is so cute. I love bunnies so much also, so I am definitely going to be using these. They're so cute. Moving on, we have some heart nail charms. I feel like hearts are kind of a go-to if I don't know what type of nail charm I want to use or what type of nail art I want to do. I sometimes just go with a heart because it's very versatile, and yeah, hearts are just really fun, and I think these are really pretty kind of pastel colors also. Next we have these really pretty purple flower nail charms, and again, flowers are another go-to for me if I don't know what type of nail set I want to do. A lot of times I'll choose to do a flower nail set. And keeping with the flower theme, here are some more flower nail charms, and I actually have these already, but I don't think I have all of the colors, so that is nice. There are some other colors that I don't have already of these nail charms, and there's just some different sizes in there as well. And oh, I guess we're keeping with the flower theme still. I did not intend to do that on purpose. It just so happens that there's a bunch of flower nail charms in a row. But here are some more flower nail charms. I think these are one of my favorite flower nail charms. I just love the multicolored petals, and the colors together are just so pretty. Next we have some chunky glitter, or more like sequins. These are blue hearts, and I think these would be really pretty inside like a polygel nail set or something like that. Okay, I guess we're getting back into more flower nail charms. So first we have these white and black roses. I think these look really cool. I definitely haven't really seen any flower nail charms that look like this. Next we have these flower nail charms. There's some yellow, black, red, blue, other colors in there as well. Moving on, these are actually paws. At first I thought they were stars, but then I took them out and got a little bit of a closer look, and they're actually paws. And I think they're really cool looking. It kind of gives this cat eye effect. As you move it around, it kind of changes from black to purple to blue. So yeah, I think those are really pretty. Here are some more flatback rhinestones, and these are kind of interesting. They almost remind me of watermelons because the top is pink and the bottom is green, and they're kind of shaped as watermelons also. But yeah, really pretty rhinestones. And we have these. There's some dogs, and I think there's a few bunnies mixed in there if I'm remembering correctly. Moving on to this next bag, we are starting off with some Winnie the Pooh nail charms. Really cute. We have these heart flatback charms, different colors, different sizes, and it kind of looks like it has a pearl finish, so that's really pretty as well. And we have some mushroom charms. I always think mushrooms are just so cute, so I think for nail art it would just be really cute, and I don't think I've done a mushroom set before, so I think that'll be fun to do sometime. And next we have, these kind of look like they would be glow in the dark, but I don't know if they are. There's some moons, butterflies, and diamond kind of shapes. There's some more flatback rhinestones, and these are gold. I didn't really have any gold rhinestones. Most of the rhinestones I have are silver, kind of like just the regular rhinestone color, or a colored rhinestone, and I didn't really have any gold, so I thought I would pick those up as well, and there are different shapes in there. We have this bag of rhinestones. They're really tiny white rhinestones. And then we have this next bag, another bag of rhinestones. These are flat back and kind of holographic, going from a purplish pink to kind of a green color. So I think those are really pretty too. And next we have more flower nail charms, multicolors. And for these, I don't think I would use these, honestly. First of all, they're big, and then second of all, they're just not really my style. I don't think I would ever want to wear these on my nails, but maybe for like some other arts and craft project. They're just like different types of fish in here. I believe this is the last bag of nail charms I have for this video. So first thing, we have these character nail charms. I don't know what movie the bunny is from, but I know the cat is from Cinderella. I think his name is Lucifer, but I thought those were really cute, and I don't really have any character, or I don't have very many character nail charms, so I thought I would pick those up. And then this next bag kind of has a few different things in here. So there's some Hello Kitties. She has a blue bow, and her face is kind of made out of like rhinestones. There's also a butterfly in there, and there's a dragon, which that one's kind of small. It's kind of hard to see, but it's like a dragon with a black rhinestone in the middle. Now these were really interesting to me. They're almost like flat back rhinestones, except they're not rhinestones. But I specifically got these for fall and Halloween time just because the colors, like the brown, black, and yellow and orange all together, just reminded me of fall and Halloween. So that's why I got these, and also I thought they were really interesting because I don't have anything like it. We have some more flower nail charms, and these are bendable, so you can bend them on the nail so it sits flat, which I think is really nice. And I also thought they were really cool looking because there is a print within the flower. As you can probably see, one of them is like a cheetah print, which I thought was really pretty. Next we have these rhinestones. They kind of remind me of shooting stars, and I just think they're really cool and unique. We have some more Hello Kitty. This is just a Hello Kitty outline, so pretty simple but still cute. And these, I think these are probably one of my favorite nail charms I got, along with the bunnies. These are lime nail charms. They're just so cute. I love them. And then keeping with the fruit theme, I also got these strawberry nail charms, which are also really cute. And I think that's it for nail charms. So we're gonna move on to some Color Street nail strips that I got. I have actually already tried Color Street, and I was surprised to see them on Whatnot, but I have tried Color Street because my mom really likes them, which is the main reason I got these, because I'm going to give them to her for her birthday that's coming up pretty soon, and I'll probably keep one just to make a video about it maybe, but the other two I will probably give to her. So this first one I'm showing is a light blue with kind of a shimmery finish. And by the way, all of these do come with everything you need to apply them. So it comes with a cuticle pusher, an alcohol wipe, a file, and usually you can get at least 2 full nail sets out of this whole thing. So yeah, we have that light blue, and then we have this kind of greenish blue, kind of like a mint green color with some chunky silver glitter over it. And then we also have these really pretty purple ones. They're about the same thing as the last ones I just showed because these also have some silver glitter over it. And they also gave me some freebies, which I thought was really nice. So we have this nail polish remover pad when you want to remove them, because Color Street nail strips are just made out of regular nail polish, so you can just easily wipe them off with an acetone pad like this. And then there's also a nail prep pack, which I think would just have like an alcohol wipe in it just to clean and dehydrate your nails so they stay on longer. And then it comes with this mini yellow file, and we have a cuticle pusher, and then it came with these really cute lip accent nails and then some dark purple accent nails. And this is a really pretty color of purple too. This next package had some OPI nail polishes, and OPI is one of my favorite brands of nail polishes, and it was a really good deal on Whatnot because they're usually like at least $10 at the store, but I think I just got them for a few dollars each on Whatnot. And I think I'm gonna give a few to my mom and then keep maybe one of them. I haven't decided what color I'm gonna keep yet, but I did get that really pretty shimmery pink one that I just showed, and then this kind of is a muted orange sort of color. I don't really know how to describe it, but that one's a really pretty color too, and it does say it's a Nature Strong, which I don't know like what's the difference between this one and the regular OPI nail polish. I'm not really sure, but I'll have to look it up. And then we also have this kind of copper shimmery color, which is also really pretty. And finally, this last color I got was a really nice light blue. So if you do watch my channel usually and you're subscribed, you might notice that I usually do gel nails, and I don't really ever make videos about regular nail polish. I have maybe a couple times, but I usually use regular nail polish on my toes, so that is why I got these. Plus, I'm gonna give some to my mom. So obviously this is a nail haul, but I did get a few non-nail related things, so I'm just going to show those really quickly. So first of all, I did get this Victor and Rolf perfume. This is a dabbing perfume, so it doesn't have the spray, but you just kind of dab it on. And let me just say, I was very, very pleasantly surprised because it smells so good. I'm kind of picky about my perfume, but I think this smells really, really good. And then next we have this Dossier perfume. I did actually get several different flavors or scents of the Dossier perfume. But I just ended up showing one in this video because they basically just look the same, just with a different title. This specific one I'm showing in this clip is called Fruity Honey, and it is supposed to be inspired by a Jo Malone perfume. And I have tried the same Jo Malone perfume that this is supposed to smell like, and it does smell pretty similar. I'm actually gonna want to say that it smells better than the Jo Malone perfume, so I would honestly just go with this one instead of the Jo Malone one. That's way more expensive. So a lot of times Whatnot sellers will do giveaways, and I actually won a few of the giveaways. So this first thing I got for free was a Benefits mascara. I honestly would not recommend it just because it smudges a lot more than other mascaras that I've used. So I definitely wouldn't recommend it or buy it again, but it is nice to be able to try it out for free. And then I did also get these Sally Hansen nail strips for free as well as a giveaway. Moving on to the final section of this video, we have some press-on nails. So all of these are either Olive and June or the Kiss and Impress press-on nails. So first we have Olive and June. The first ones are long and they're kind of like a pink and purple French tip. And by the way, all of these do come with everything you need to apply them as well. And I did try out the Olive and June ones. They are really good quality. I think I like them even better than the Kiss press-on nails. They are really, really good. So would definitely recommend those. We have these pink flower ones. There's some purple butterflies and some more floral ones. And then finally we have this kind of purple and pink design. And then finally for the Kiss and Impress nails, there are these Halloween nails. We have these French tip nails with the designs. And then these are kind of the coral orangish nails with some glitter and rhinestones. And then these are really cute. These are winter themed nails with the snowman. And then we have these sculpted nails. These are just a matte purple. Some more Christmas winter nails with some snowmen and snowflakes and a Christmas tree. So that is it. And then the nails I am wearing are also from the Kiss press-on nail set, from one of them. So these are also really pretty. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe. I hope you enjoyed this nail supplies haul, and I will see you next time. Bye!